So here we are in the third video where we'll review how to edit the text and whatnot. As you recall, this is what we have thus far, and what we're going to do is we are going to edit the text here. So here, down here, you see is the text editing spot. Line space, this is if you have multiple lines, but I always like to just set it to 0. And word space too. If you look up on the when we adjust this, how it stretches out the word or shrinks it, we're going to shrink that to 0 because what we want to do is we want to make it nice and big. So we're going to increase that. We're going to bold it and increase it to 18. Now we're going to do that on the same thing down here. See how there's that window, Elim Chapel, join us. Here's Sunday at 10. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drop that down to 0, and we are going to drop that down to 0, bold, and I think we had this at 20. It fits in there. Sunday's at 20. Okay, so now if we look at it, it's starting to take shape, right? It's got the Elim Chapel, join us, Sundays at 10. We stop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of texture to the wording. We'll use red. So if you saw that, how if we say none, you see up here how it changes. What we'll do is we'll say floating that option 3D. Maybe let's do the floating one. I think that's what we had. So then that one is set. Then we come up to here and we do the same thing. We do floating with the red. And now, as you can see, we have that image back. Now, one more thing what we'll do here in this video is we will get rid of these blue borders here. So what we do is we hit stop. Now within each of these, if you see here, it's got this blue. And if we go here and we say we don't want any border, it eliminates that border. So then we go to the next one. We say eliminate that border. And finally down to the image. And now that's what we have. Nice clean image. Elim Chapel, join us Sundays at 10 with a nice image. So this concludes this video, and what we'll do is we will do another video here to show you some other ways to utilize the screen. This is video 3, concludes this video.